Hello, these are SolidWorks 2016 tutorials. Now, in the previous tutorials we showed you how to create different parts and their drawings, and today we will use this photo or sketch of a toy train to create parts for this. So first let's think about it a bit. So let's say this is about 10 inches long, and so that means that this should be probably like 8 and there should be 2, so this part here should be 1.5 inches long, let's say. This should be also maybe 1.5 or 1.25. We'll see about that. And so let's just start creating parts. So first let's create this front bumper. So click on new part, click OK, and let's just create something like this. Okay, add this dimension here and this one. Let's now use offset S, reverse, click OK. Now let's just trim these. There you go. Trim and trim. Okay. And now let's just add these dimensions once again, just to define everything. Let's just add a center line here. And add this angle. Yeah, there you go. Now let's just create, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal ribs, let's say. So we have 2 there. And then we don't want to add any relations that are not horizontal and 2 coincident. So 1, 2, 3. 4. 5 of those and 6. So I made some calculations earlier, and this dimension here should be 1 divided by 8, and this should be 0.05, just to have everything nice and symmetrical. So let's just add these dimensions there. Yeah, let's just delete this. This one, right click to keep it that way. There you go. Now let's just trim these out. Click OK. Now let's just revolve. This is our axis. Let's say 180 degrees. Click OK. And there you have it. Now let's just add this small base here. We'll just really try to simplify these parts, because we don't have a lot of data about train, so we have simply just one JPEG photo and that's it. So let's just create a triangle there and extrude it to this dimension here, and let's save. I think, yeah, I did that earlier before. Let's just override it. Okay,